What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. Of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. You new to my channel, welcome. Appreciate you coming through. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be up to date on the latest recipe videos. You feel me? We get it in here. We about to do it. So let's go. So today we're doing a lobster ravioli, y'all. Lobster ravioli with seafood, spinach, and saffron cream sauce, y'all. That's how we getting it in, man. I'm telling you, y'all gonna love this recipe. It's real easy. It's real simple. Takes no time to make it all. Alright, so let's do it. Okay, so on the board you see I got me some lobster ravioli. You can probably get this in your local market, but Trader Joe's definitely has it. You know, go to Trader Joe's, your nearest Trader Joe's, and get the lobster ravioli, y'all. Y'all need to try these raviolis. They're so good, tasty, love them to death. You feel me? So I got me here 2 9-ounce packs. You feel me? For our video today. I also got me some mussels, some already cooked mussels I got from my market. You know what I mean? If you can't find cooked mussels, you know, you can get some mussels, steam them, take them out the shell. There you go. Got me some colossal shrimp right there. And I also got some lump crab meat. You feel me? That's how we doing it, man. That's the seafood for our sauce. We about to get it in. Told you. Real easy recipe, you feel me? And the shrimp, you could use whatever, you know, jumbo, large, whatever you like. I like the colossal. I like the nice size on them with this dish. So I always like to go big. You feel me? Especially like a little pasta dish like this that's real simple and easy. You dig? So we about to get it in. Alright, y'all. So the first thing I want to do is I got 4 garlic cloves here. Gonna go ahead and get these chopped up. I got about a half a shallot here because I got some I got a little bit of garlic and shallots right here from another recipe. So I only need just this half a shallot. You probably would use 1 whole shallot. And you know, the garlic cloves you could use more if you want, depending on how much you love garlic. So I'm using 4. We're gonna go ahead and get these chopped up. All right. And, you know, we want to, you know, dice them up pretty fine. They don't have to be like super crazy, but we're gonna chop them up real fine, y'all. All right, so now that I got my garlic chopped up, put that to the side. Go ahead and get my half a shallot chopped up. And look, y'all, I'm trying to work on my knife skills. You know, you see like the Michelin star guys go in and, you know, chop it real nice and fancy like. Trying to get my skills up, y'all. So bear with a brother. All right. There, that's good like that. You know what I'm saying? And I already got a pot of boiling water on, so you can have the water ready because the raviolis will take like just maybe like 5 to 6 minutes to cook. Okay, cream sauce is not gonna take no time at all. So, all right, there we go, y'all. Now that I got my shallots chopped up, ready to go, you want to go ahead and put on a pot of boiling water for your ravioli. That's only going to take about 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to go ahead and prepare the cream sauce while the water is getting hot. All right, we're going to put the raviolis in like towards the end of the cream sauce. That's when we're going to drop the raviolis in because they don't take no time at all. All right, told y'all, real quick and easy recipe, man. Love sharing with y'all. We getting it in, y'all. All right, y'all. So next, before I get my pan ready, I got me some my Kamado tomatoes. Yo, these tomatoes are definitely good. If you can't get your hands on the Kamados, and these are mini Kamados, you know, any type of grape tomatoes, you can get them. Do your thing, or you can just use some diced tomatoes, a can of diced tomatoes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and slice these in half. And this is going to these are going in my sauce because I just love how they complement the sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and cut a couple halves of them. And I just want to cut them in half like that, y'all. Just in half. And these are pretty big. They're bigger than the regular grape tomatoes that you normally get in your market, but I just love it. I love how it complements my sauce. Now that I got my Kamado tomatoes cut up, my mini Kamado tomatoes cut up, let's get our pan ready, y'all. Let's do it. All right, so now that I got the pan out, got it heated up, okay? And you want to always make sure you get your pan nice and hot before you start. Let me bring it down to a medium, because when I put the pan on, I had it on high, get the pan hot and going. Bring it down to a medium high. Go ahead and drop about 2 tablespoons of butter in there. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of oil. I'm using some safflower oil, high heat point oil. Okay? Because the first thing I want to do is I want to get the shrimp going first, y'all. Let's go. We'll get our shrimp going first. And the seasoning shrimp, I mean, if you got some Old Bay, you can use some Old Bay. I got my seafood Creole seasoning blend, so I'm going to use that. And we're just going to cook the shrimp a couple of minutes on each side, y'all. Okay? Medium hot. Alright, y'all, did my first flip. We're gonna let it flow for a couple more minutes on the other side, y'all. Alright, and a friendly reminder, make sure y'all have y'all boiling water, salted boiling water going on right now, okay? Because like I said, this is the process is gonna be fast. The sauce is gonna be quick. Doesn't take long at all. Alright, so we're gonna let these go ahead and flow on the other side for a couple minutes. Keep it moving. Oh yeah, smelling so good. Our shrimp is done, y'all, so we're gonna take these out, put them to the side. Oh yeah, y'all, get these to the side. And we're gonna keep our pan flowing, y'all. We're gonna keep it flowing, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and add about another tablespoon of butter. Alright, we still got it on the medium high. Give my butter a second to melt down a little bit. Alright, so now that my butter has melted down a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add my shallots. Go ahead and get those going. Maybe about 30 seconds, y'all, real quick. Okay, so after that 30 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my garlic. Let's go. Smelling so good, man. Oh my goodness, smelling so good. And I'm gonna just go ahead and stir this up for about a minute. Alright, so after a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and add my Kamado, mini Kamados. Get them in there going. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add my lump crab meat. And I'm also gonna add my mussels. Alright, add my mussels. When I go ahead, I'm gonna add some more of my seafood seasoning, my Creole blend seafood seasoning. Like I said, you could just use some Old Bay if you got it, some Creole seasoning if you got it, a little bit of salt and pepper. But that's all we need right there, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this up to a high. I already had it on medium high. We're gonna get it to high because I want to get this flowing a little bit real quick. Now it's been about 3 minutes or so. Where I stirred it up, got everything going. So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add some white wine, y'all. Or you can add chicken stock at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and add some white wine, about a 1/4 cup. Oh yeah, y'all. And we want to bring that to a boil and let it reduce. Okay, so now after I let it reduce a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add some heavy cream, y'all. Oh yeah. It's about a 1/2 cup. Let's get that stirred on up in there, y'all. We're gonna get this to a boil and let it simmer. I'm also going to throw in a little bit of saffron. Here we go. Couple of pinches of saffron, y'all, is all we need. Couple pinches of saffron. There we go. Let's get it stirred up. Oh yeah. Alright, now I want to get this to a boil. I'm gonna turn it up to high. Get this to a boil. Bring it down, simmer it down. We almost there, y'all. And we're gonna also add a little bit of salt and pepper. Alright, about a teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon of pepper to taste. Oh yeah, y'all see it's coming to a boil right now. And if you want it to be, you want it to reduce till it starts to get a little bit of thickness going on, but you can always do a little cornstarch slurry if you want your sauce to be real thick. All right, so we're gonna let this go for about 10 minutes. All right, get it to a boil. We'll turn it down to medium high and just let it simmer off for 10 minutes, y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm halfway into my sauce being ready. Okay. So we're about 5 minutes in, 5-6 minutes in, and it's already coming together real nice. Got it simmering. So I want to go ahead and get my raviolis up in my boiling water. All right, so we can have it all come together at the same time. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. So now in those last couple of minutes where our sauce is almost done, we're gonna go ahead and add our fresh spinach, y'all. Well, ain't forget about the spinach, y'all. Come on now. We'll get our spinach up in there. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and stir this up in there, incorporate it. Alright, y'all, got my pasta done. Got my lobster ravioli done up out the pot. Okay, everything is coming together on time. Got my spinach incorporated into my sauce. Now let's get this plated on up, y'all. I know that's what y'all been waiting for. We about to do it. We about to get it in, y'all. Alright, let's do it. Here we go. Alright. Sauce is ready, plate ready. So the first thing I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit of my sauce up on the plate, y'all. Get a little bit of my sauce up on the plate. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Alright, so now let me go ahead and get some of my raviolis, set them on top. Oh yeah. Alright, let's do it, y'all. Oh, let's do it. Okay. Now I want to go ahead and get my shrimp. Ooh, yeah, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Now I want to go ahead and get some more of my sauce and just put a little layer on top. Oh, yeah, there we go, y'all. Let me get some of that juice. Get some of that juice. Get it over to some of the shrimp. Oh, my goodness, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. We got the lobster ravioli with the seafood, saffron, spinach, cream sauce going on with the shrimp, y'all. Oh, yeah. Look at all that juice. Look at all that sauce right there. You feel me? That's how we doing it. Trust me, y'all. Y'all love this. Real easy recipe. Ready to go. Got the spinach popping. Yo, it just smells so good, man. It just looks so good. Alright? So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, so y'all can keep up with all the greatest videos, man. Comment. Let me know if y'all tried this. Let me know if y'all want me to try something. Holla at me. Talk to me. You feel me? But I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for coming through. And y'all already know how I do. Holla.